One of the best things about Goa is the charming and elegant cafes that it has. The kind of cafes Goa has, you will not find anywhere in India. In this video, I will share the 10 best cafes that you should include in your itinerary on your next Goa trip. Saltamontes Cafe in Anjuna is a cozy and vibrant cafe known for its laid back atmosphere and connection with nature. Located in a serene part of Goa, the cafe often features live music, art events, and other cultural activities that resonate with the artistic spirit of Goa. The menu typically includes a variety of healthy and organic options with a focus on fresh, locally sourced ingredients. The ambience is casual and inviting, with plenty of outdoor seating where guests can enjoy the natural surrounding. The Tibet Cafe in Morjim is a popular spot that offers a unique blend of Tibetan and Goan culture. Known for its authentic Tibetan cuisine, the cafe is a favorite among people who are looking to experience something different from the usual Goan affair. The cafe has a relaxed bohemian vibe with simple, cozy interiors. The atmosphere is peaceful, making it a great place to unwind. Beyond the food, the cafe often showcases elements of Tibetan culture through its decor and music. If you are in the mood for something different, it's definitely worth a visit. Baba Aurum is a well-known cafe and bakery located in Anjuna. Their breakfast offerings, which include omelets and smoothie bowls, are especially popular. The open-air sitting, surrounded by tropical plants, makes it a perfect spot to enjoy a leisurely cup of coffee. Overall, Baba Aurum is a gem in Goa's cafe scene, offering a delightful mix of good food, great ambience, and a true taste of the Goan lifestyle. Eva Cafe is a charming seaside cafe located in Anjuna, which is known for its picturesque setting and relaxed vibe. It's a must visit for those looking to enjoy a meal or a drink with a stunning view of the Arabian Sea with sunset in the backdrop. The cafe has a cozy and bohemian atmosphere with minimalist yet chic decor. The menu at Eva Cafe focuses on healthy and fresh options with a mix of Mediterranean and continental dishes. Bean Me Up is a popular vegan restaurant located in Vagator. It's well known for its vibrant plant based cuisine and serene eco friendly environment, making it a favorite among health conscious travelers. The restaurant is set in a lush garden with plenty of greenery, creating a tranquil and natural atmosphere. The outdoor seating area is surrounded by trees and plants with wooden tables and chairs that add to the rustic earthy vibe. Bean Me Up is a must visit for vegans, vegetarians, and anyone interested in healthy, delicious food in a beautiful serene setting. La Plage is one of Goa's most iconic beachfront cafes located on Ashwin Beach. It is known for its stunning setting, relaxed vibe, and excellent French inspired cuisine. Their dessert menu is a standout with options like the famous chocolate thali. The cafe is set right on the sands of Ashwin Beach with open air seating that allows you to enjoy the panoramic views of the Arabian Sea. La Plage offers a perfect blend of great food, beautiful scenery, and a chilled out atmosphere, making it a must visit destination in Goa. Mojigao is a charming cafe located in Asagao. The cafe is designed to blend seamlessly with its surroundings, featuring rustic wooden furniture, earthy tones, and open air seating that allows guests to immerse themselves in the beauty of nature. The cafe focuses on healthy, wholesome food. Their fresh juices, herbal teas, and organic coffee are quite popular. Mojigao is a perfect escape from the busier parts of Goa, offering a blend of healthy food and natural beauty. Arjuna is a vibrant cafe located in Anjuna. It is set in a beautifully landscaped garden with plenty of outdoor seating, creating a relaxed and welcoming atmosphere. The space is adorned with colorful art, handmade crafts, and eclectic decor. Arjuna is more than just a cafe, it's also a cultural and creative space that hosts various events which range from yoga sessions and meditation classes to art workshops and live music performances. Arjuna offers a unique blend of food, art, and culture, making it a must visit destination for anyone interested in exploring the artistic and bohemian side of Goa. The Rice Mill is a popular cafe located in Morjim. Housed in a beautifully restored old rice mill, This spot has a unique charm that blends history with a modern laid back vibe. The cafe serves a diverse menu that includes a mix of Goan, Indian, and continental dishes. The rice mill is known for its excellent coffee brewed from locally sourced beans. They also have a bakery section that offers freshly baked bread, pastries, and other sweet treats which are perfect for pairing with the coffee. The rice mill in Goa is a must visit for anyone looking to experience a blend of history, culture, and great food in a relaxed and inviting setting. Garden of Dreams is a serene and enchanting cafe located in Arambol. It is set in a beautiful garden filled with tropical plants, flowers, and trees. The cafe's design is simple yet charming, with cozy seating areas scattered throughout the garden, allowing guests to enjoy the natural surroundings. The menu includes a variety of vegetarian and vegan dishes, along with options for those who prefer seafood and other light meals. The cafe attracts a diverse crowd, including artists, musicians, yogis, and travelers from around the world. Garden of Dreams in Arambol is a hidden gem that offers a unique blend of nature, good food, and a peaceful atmosphere. It's a place that invites you to slow down and enjoy the simple pleasures of life in Goa.